Guys, this is Jyoti. I'm back again on my own. It's another solo one, and I just have to get to this very quickly because I got a DM on Instagram, and I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Jay Sean, he's back, and he's back with Rishi Rich, the OGs. And I have to see what this new track is all about. I mean, come on, these guys were the ones who started it all, the Brit Asian pop. Scene. So Juggy D is missing, but hey, I'm all for Rishi and Jay back together. I think the most recent song with Jay Sean in it that I saw is his collab with Guru Randhawa, and that was a really fun video. It had a lot of Dil Chahta Hai vibes, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is a Jay Sean single, and I'm excited. The description says showing just how seamlessly music can marry the new age with the golden age of music. Jay Sean and Rishi Rich both paid tribute to the 90s Bollywood era by sampling the iconic flute of Tere Chehre Pe from the movie Bazigar. Interesting. Presenting a vibrant and tropical sound with a hint of nostalgia. Nakhre features the vocals of Kirani, and the visual will especially give you all the feels of the Jay Sean and Rishi Rich classic. Eyes on You. Nice. I mean, Eyes on You is evergreen, man. You can listen to that song anytime. Right vibes. Okay, let's do this. Nakhre. 1, 2, 3, play.
Hello?
Yo, Jay.
Rish! What's up, man? What's happening?
All good. What are you doing?
I just shopping.
Listen, I found a sample for you.
Go on.
Alright, check this.
Let me hear it.
Have a listen to this.
Nice.
Hey girl, we've been on and off and hiding out for ages. Can't see out why we always switching pages. Feel like you and me, we speak a different
I like
language.
it.
Alright, got a good thing.
India grosses.
Gotta wake up, we don't need a hide. You a diamond, let it shine. When we together, we get better over time. Better over time, better over time. I told you that I always have my eyes on you.
I knew it. Nice.
I know that they're looking, but they don't know that me and you, we keep it on the low low. It ain't like we ever posted any photos, cause we both know that is a no-no. Got a good thing, you and I. Gotta wake up, we don't need a hide. You a diamond.
Oh God.
When we together, we get better over time. Better over time, better over time. I told you that I always have my eyes on you. Eyes on you.
All the movies. Oh my God, that's it. I love it. I am gonna add this right now to all my playlists. I mean, what can I say? I love Jay Sean. By the way, if you're if you're not in India and you are on TikTok, you gotta follow him on TikTok. He is hilarious. I'm loving his TikToks. Um, but yeah, that was just, oh my God. If you're a 90s kid, you will love this song. Even if you're not a 90s kid, you will love the vibe of this one. Eyes on You was nice, nice. Um, but yeah, I mean, Jay Sean doesn't sing a lot in Punjabi, so Hindi, and that was just nice. Um, this for me was like it was the original the original Jay Sean and Rishi Rich vibe, like the original sound. So, oh my God, I loved it. Like I said, like the 90s, anytime you take us to the 90s, any 90s kid is just, that's it. And clearly he's a Kajol fan. I didn't know that. I think in one of his older videos, he had Bipasha Basu, if I remember correctly. But damn. Okay, I love it. I love it. I mean, what's not to love about this song? It's just made me so happy. And really liked her vocals as well. That was different when it kicked in. And I don't know why I'm just looking at the screen and I'm seeing the comments. They are all positive under this video, and I'm not surprised at all. So yes, like I said, if you're a 90s kid, you're gonna love this song and you're gonna love the vibe. And it's basically taking us back to the original sound of Jay and Rishi. And I wish, this is just me asking for too much and being greedy. I wish they brought in Juggy D as well into this one, but oh well, hopefully soon, and hopefully the three of them will be seen together again. If Rishi or Jay are watching this, probably not, but in case you are, come on guys, get together again. We're waiting for it. But yeah, love it. And thank you for DMing me and asking me to react to this one. Thank you so much. Let me know what else I should react to. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.